Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to navigate through the Canvas page. As soon as you log in into the class, you should see this screen, and the first module that you will see is the course orientation. Okay? So go ahead and click on welcome, start here, and you should see the following page, which gives you my contact information and it's telling you how long it will take for me to get back to you. The first thing that you are going to do is the student learning contract. So just click on start here. So this is your first assignment, and this is a contract between you and me that you agree that you are going to abide by all the rules for the class. So click next and take the survey. This will be your first assignment. Once you're done taking the student learning contract, just click next, and you will see a series of tutorials. Please go over in as many tutorials as you think you may need. Once you have watched whatever tutorials you think you may need for the class, because some of you may already be familiar with Canvas or the services provided by the school. If you are new, I recommend you to watch all of them. So then click next, and you will see the syllabus. Please read all the information on the syllabus. It contains pretty much all the information you need. It has my contact information again, the office hours with the link to the Zoom screen. It has the course materials that you need. It describes what you're going to learn in the class. It tells you how the class will work, what is expected from you, what can you expect from me, how you will be assessed. So the different kinds of assessments, which will be discussions, quizzes, exams. Also talks about academic integrity, how will you get your final grades, how the grade will be determined, what will you are supposed to learn during the class, and has a tentative schedule at the end. Okay, so everybody should definitely go over the syllabus in its entirety. Once you have completed the syllabus, you can either hit next to hear more, to see more detailed explanation of some part of the syllabus. But since the whole idea is how to navigate the class, whenever you need to reset the page, just click on home. Okay? And it will send you again to the beginning of the class where we start the course orientation. And then after the first week, on the top, you will start seeing the most recent announcements. And you should definitely read the announcements right away as soon as you see them in there. You can always get to the announcements too by just clicking announcements on the left side. Here, you click there. It will send you to all the announcements that have been sent so far. Again, to reset, go to home, and it will send you to the latest assignments, and it will send you to the modules, which the first one is the course orientation. Once you have finished with the course orientation, the class will be divided into weekly modules. The class, remember, is 16 weeks, so there will be 16 modules. You can see the modules by scrolling down, or you can simply click on modules on the left side right here. Let's look to a typical module and see how it works. So, for example, let's look to week 4. Every module starts with an overview, and it will tell you what you should be able to do related to the course outline by the end of the module. So these are the skills you're supposed to get. and it will also tell you how to successfully complete those modules. So you need to print and read the lecture notes for the sections, complete the homework on the workbook by this day, complete the participation by this day, and complete the quiz by this day. For that, all the participations are completed in Canvas. Once you have completed the overview, the next part you will have the lecture notes. I provide the completed lecture notes, blank lecture notes, and videos for each lecture notes. Once you complete the lecture notes and take your own notes, then you can do the participation. Okay, then I click on the three dots to gives you the rubric. Then once you're done with the participation, you're gonna take the quiz. You have 3 attempts for each quiz, and only the highest score will be recorded. Once you have completed the quiz and the participation, the last thing you usually have to do for each week is to upload the homework. Okay, so H4 remember means homework 4. It will tell you what specifically pages to complete. So once you complete the pages, just scan them using the phone or any other application, and then just click start assignment, and it will give you the choice to upload your assignment. Okay? And that's how each module is going to work. Now, since the whole idea of the video is to show you how to navigate the class, well, one way is to go by the modules. So remember, you can always go to home, click on home. It will send you to the first module, and then for there you can scroll down to whatever week you are. But you can always also look to the assignments by clicking on assignment, and you will see all the assignments that are required for the class and the due date. You can also look to the participations by just clicking on discussions. You will see all the participations that are open, when they are due, the ones that are already closed, and so forth. To take a quiz, if you don't want to do it directly from the modules, you can just click on quizzes, and it will also send you to all the quizzes that are required for the class, and also it will have the due date. Remember, the quizzes, you have 3 chances. The exams, you only have 1. You can also check your current grades for the assignments that you've done so far, and or whatever assignments you're missing, or whatever assignments are coming up. There is also on the left side, like you've seen by now, you have access to the rest of the services. Everything is on the left side. You can also get tutoring services from here. You can also look to all the resources provided by the library and other resources for the class. For the exams, we're gonna use Proctorio. So you click in here, it will tell you the directions on how to download it and how it will be used. All right, so that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know.